Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. But I know you all are missing your school, so here I am and I'm going to start new sound to you, okay? So for this, take out your book from the bag, okay, and open it because I'm going to start to teach you sound L on page number 3, okay? Open page number 3. Let's trace sound L, okay? For this, what you need to do, you need to put your pencil, okay, on the top, and then you need to trace it, okay? Okay, down, down, and down. Yes, sound L, sound L. Repeat it with me. This is sound L. Okay, which sound is this? L. L. Okay, which sound is this? L. Sound L. Okay, sound L. Sound L. And L for lamp. L for lamp. Lamp begins with sound L. Sound L. So L for lamp. L for lemon. L for lemon. Lemon also begins with sound L. 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 Okay. L for loin. L for loin. And loin begins with sound L. 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 So now we have sound L and L for lock. L for lock. And lock begins with sound L. L. Lock begins with sound L. L. L for lily. L for lily. And lily begins with sound L. 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 L for lollipop. Yummy lollipop. L for lollipop. You all eat these lollipops? So, lollipop begins with sound L. Sound L. L for lollipops. Oh, here we have dancing ladybird. So here we have dancing ladybug and ladybug begins with sound L. L. Ladybugs begins with sound L. 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 Now L for ladyfinger. Yummy. Ladyfinger. Mama cooks this ladyfinger for you. So ladyfingers begins with sound L. 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 Now it's your homework assignment. What you need to do? आपको क्या करना है? You need to do page number 3, 6 and 7 in your notebook. Okay? Page numbers 3, 6 and 7 in your notebook. And I hope you all will do these pages very neatly. Okay? Now you know how you can trace letter L and you know how you can make sound L. Okay? So we need to learn the sound L. Okay, learn the sound L and then trace it and then write it in your notebook. Okay, so here we have page number L 3. Okay, and here we have sound L. Okay, first you need to trace the sound, then you need to color it, and then you need to write in between two lines. Okay, the sound you need to write in between two lines. Here you can write like sound L. Okay. Page number 6. Okay. You can see the dots. L for lemon, and you can see the dots. So on dots you need to put your pencil and then put it down, 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 and by this you can easily make sound L. Okay. Same page number 7. You first need to trace the sound L, and L for loin. So color the loin and then write the sound L. Hope you all will do these pages very easily. Okay. So Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye bye.